students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. Dear students, yesterday we have done revision of question answers, है ना. हमने question answers के बहुत अच्छे से revision कर लिया. आज हम पढ़ेंगे revision for the exam as a worksheet. मैं आपको कुछ worksheet यहाँ पे बना के दूंगी. आप लोगों को वही worksheet अपने notebook में लिखना है and solve करना है. Understood? So all of you take out your notebook first. Give heading there revision for exam worksheet number 1. Okay, we will do worksheets as हमारा EVS पेपर जब तक आता है तब तक हम worksheet solve करेंगे. Dear students, on Monday there will be your English paper. So best of luck for the English exams. Okay, and in EVS paper is on 19th of August. That is on Thursday. Thursday को आपका EVS पेपर है. So before that you have to prepare yourself very well because EVS में spelling mistakes बहुत होती हैं जो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. You have to learn the spellings very well. So dear students, I am writing here some questions. You have to write in your notebook as a worksheet. So all of you take out your notebook, take your pencil in your hand and write down with me. Okay. So the first question which is I am giving to you, that is write the names of 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. ठीक है? And answers you have to write. Okay? After some time I will tell you the answers also. जब तक मैं आपको कुछ टाइम दूंगी. एज अ टेस्ट आप समझ लीजिए, एज अ वर्कशीट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट एनी 4 एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स. You know external organs. What are external organs? As external organs are those parts of body which can be seen from outside. Okay? जो हम बाहर से body parts को देख सकते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है external organs. Now question number 3. Write any 4 internal organs. Internal organs. What are internal organs? Internal organs are those parts of body which are inside our body. जो हमारे body के अंदर होते हैं ऐसे parts को कहा जाता है internal organs. So write down these 3 questions and solve it. First question is about the sense organs which we have learned. There are 5 sense organs. You have to write the correct spellings of here. Okay, जरूरी नहीं आप सीक्वेंस में ही लिखें, आप आगे पीछे लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन आपकी स्पेलिंग्स जो है वो करेक्ट होने चाहिए और आंसर भी करेक्ट होना चाहिए. इंटरनल, एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स के नेम्स यहाँ लिखने हैं. सेम वे आपकी स्पेलिंग्स में मिस्टेक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू 3 minutes to complete your 3 questions. 1 minute for each question. Okay. After completing 3 minutes, I will tell you the answer. You have to check your answers from blackboard. Then we will solve some more questions. Okay. So best of luck to your worksheet. I am giving you only 3 minutes. So complete it fast. Done? Do fast. Only some time will left. Okay? Some time left. So do it fast. Okay, I hope dear students you all have completed. Now check your answers. I am writing here the answers. You have to check it on your book, on your notebook. Write the sense organs. So the sense organs which we have, there are 5 sense organs, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the last one is skin. S-K-I-N, skin. This is the largest sense organ. Skin is the largest sense organ. The spelling of eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Ears, E-A-R-S, ears. N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. S-K-I-N, skin. This is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we have to write any 4 external organs. So we have so many external organs which we can see from outside. Okay, so external organs are hands, legs, you can write any of this, eyes, ears. Okay, आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो. We have learned 25 external organs, है ना? उसमें से कोई भी 4 आप लिख सकते हो. After that, write any 4 internal organs. So internal organ is B-R-A-I-N, brain, H-E-A-R-T, heart, L-U-N-G-S, lungs, and S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. So these are for the internal organs. Okay. So these are the answers for all these 3 questions. Now I have taken you some a small recap of as a worksheet. Okay, so tomorrow again we will do, tomorrow is a Sunday, prepare for the English exam. On Monday we will do some more practice of EVS. Okay, so you have to learn what you have to learn. You have to learn all the spellings and write the spellings correct always. Okay, otherwise you will get 0 marks. So dear students, best of luck for the exams. Prepare well and do your best. So bye, take care, have a nice day. And we will continue our class.